Today we are going to study a new chapter which is very important, and the chapter is acids, bases and salts. Before going to start the chapter, we are going through the introduction first. Like we individuals have certain kind of nature, likewise every chemical substance that we come across has some nature. But in terms of chemicals, we relate nature either with acidic, basic or neutral nature. But to know exactly what is acidic, basic or neutral, we need to know about what exactly we mean by being acidic, basic or neutral. So accordingly, different concepts were introduced to define them. So let us study them first. Earlier it was thought that those substances that are sour, that turns blue litmus red and are corrosive in nature are called acids, whereas those which are bitter and that turns red litmus blue, soapy in touch, these are called bases. But later this concept was replaced by relevant concepts like Lewis concept, Bronsted-Lowry concept and Arrhenius concept. Calcium hydroxide, nitrate. In our syllabus, we need to know only about the Arrhenius concept. Now we are going to the chapter contents. Acids. Acids are compounds which give ion in water solution. You can also say that acids are the compounds that gives hydronium ion in water solution. For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Now we come to the bases. Bases are compounds which give hydroxide ion in water solution. For example, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Salts. Salts are compounds obtained by replacement of hydrogen ion from acid by a metal. For example, sodium chloride, copper sulfate, potassium nitrate. Strong and weak. Strong acids. Strong acids ionize fully in water to produce large number of hydrogen ions. For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrobromic acid. These are considered to be very strong acids. Weak acids. Weak acids ionize partially in water to produce small number of hydrogen ions. For example, carbonic acid, phosphoric acid, sulfurous acid, acetic acid. Strong bases ionize fully in water to produce large number of hydronium hydroxide ions. For example, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, lithium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Weak bases. Weak bases ionize partially in water to produce small number of hydroxide ions. For example, magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. Now we come to the concentrated and dilute. A concentrated solution is a solution in which large amount of solute is dissolved in less amount of water. A dilute solution is a solution in which small amount of solute is dissolved in large amount of water. For example, concentrated hydrochloric acid has more amount of HCl and less amount of water. On the other hand, dilute hydrochloric acid has less amount of hydrochloric acid and more amount of water. Thanks for watching this video. Today we